led to just a lot of reliance on this joint, which is also leading to a lot of pain. So as a compensation, it's degenerating very fast. We see this begin to straighten out more this way, straighten out more this way. Because if we don't get the motion back in and we don't take the pressure off that joint, this is going to keep going that way, and it's going to keep getting worse. So that's what we're going to do. Nice and relaxed. Feel okay? Good. So right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a correction like this, and my leg will be on your leg. So nice and relaxed. Relájate. Bueno. Okay.
Sí.
Use this hand to push up.
Usa la mano para pucharte para arriba, para sentarte.
That was a great set. Walk around.
Camina.
Mucho bueno. Better.
Ya voy a salir.
Stand up straighter.
Te caminas mejor también.
Sí, es que ya estaba, no podía caminar, estaba como de lado.
That's the worst of it right there. Not bad, huh? In her own words, what was different?
Dice en tus propias palabras que es diferente, que sientes diferente.
Me siento más así como más derecha que camino.
She feels more straight when she's walking.
Yeah. What about down here now?
Y las piernas todavía
Still numb, maybe some burning.
Todavía están dormidas. Quema un poquito.
De aquí para acá sí, pero acá me siento más bien.
She's saying from her leg down, it's still a little bit, not as much, and her hips, there's not much pain anymore.
Pero no, dolor así fuerte no más dolor.
It's not excruciating pain anymore.